So, what do we got for today? Following the third sums for verification display. Remove the 50. So we'll need the character counter. Copy. While we're working on, I'm just going to systematically do that. I don't think there's, I think that's the top stuff, yeah. So what we're going to do is add technically. Alright, so what we've got to do is combine. Here, we'll do it like this. Just copy it, lock it, pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, control, paste, and we will move that to the right one. Copy. Okay. Three. No, control save it. I'm currently watching 12 Monkeys Season 3, Episode 6. Saving Illustrator file. So I think it's the size. It doesn't make sense because it doesn't matter on the size because it's all, sorry, math related. It's all calculations. See, Photoshop is a bitmap. 3, 7, and I'm not fully awake yet, so there's that. And then I want to incorporate that one, but so that's 16 times 38 plus 22. We'll do it like that. 2. I might as well just do 590 just to. And then we have minus. 694. So it was 66. 67. Move. Well, here, let's -1. 0 tab. -1 tab. Copy. D. We will take that. Move to. We need to go up any further. Yeah, because that ends at U. Okay. Now I know this row is incorrect, but it'll make sense in a minute. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, I'll do 580. Tab. Alright, so we'll go 1 through 4. Is that right? That's not right. We'll just work in reverse. 4. Alright, you see that? So there, that's the egg over here. It's divided. Uh, 4, 7, 6. If a computer did this, you wouldn't catch the nuances, and that's the same with anything you're trying to master. 8, 3, 6, 2, 3. Which is right there. It's an 8. Alright, so this is 17 times. So full row, 38 plus 13, 14. Alright, so that brings you to the end then. So 17 times 38. Well, I'll just display it from 100, but no, I don't want to do that. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know it's 13. Okay. Because that, if the A was counted, so it's 13. So it's 59. 2, 4, 9, 5, 3, 4, 0. So there's pi right there. 7 and pi. Wait. 3. I fucked that up, didn't I? 3, 0, 1, 4. 5, 4, 9, 5. Oh, that's seeping in. Ooh, buddy. I said, hey, buddy, rolling like a big shot, should be tuned up like a NASCAR paint job. I'll leave it at that, on that. So, and then that, you may need to hit that over there, but I'm going to lock it on this one. Alright, so we've got 30. 375, 105, 75, 1, oh, there's a huge delay. 8, 2, oh, 9. See, it's 39 right there. So that was the beginning of the thing. So it explains itself. 7, 4, 9, 4, 4, 5, 9, 2, 3, 0, 7. Oh, I gotta sneeze. 8. 6, 4, at 628, 6, 2. You see how I justified the 2 there? 8, 620. 1 plus. So that's 1 over. It's 1 more than that. So that's the point. So the dream, which is REM. But anyways, we're not getting into that. So then we're gonna go, I'm gonna just unlock it just to make it super simple. So that rest of it, I'll do it like this. Come on, come on. Copy, lock that layer, and then we're going to do a paste in front, and we're going to move 1. To the right. To the right. To the right. Now back out all. Now back. Not, it's gonna be okay. Alright. So. 8. So that's indicating that that's one unit right there. So this prior one is defining that. Now, most likely there's a different grid once you make it over into past this one. And different rule sets and all sorts of fun stuff. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see of me and you. I think to myself, ow. My hip, there we go. That was a weird pop. Three, 4, 818. There we go. Just to make sure, and then this is 39. 78. Okay, that makes logically sense because we finished on the 78 somewhere. Where was it? Over here? 4, 7, 7, 8. There was one particular that it was this one, and then 1 6 point is 2 times 8, or 8 plus 8. Acknowledge 20, 20. So we will just go 78 and hit submit. Alright, and then where are we at? 899 628 right? 8. Finished on the 818. So technically, what we need to do is go that far in and then verify on the next one. Easiest way to do the math. So that way there's no error control. 10. So 10 on top of that will be 88. 88 miles per hour. Hit 5. And then we can hit back just to verify. 5 3. Is it 5 3 4? 5 8 8 6 2 8 0 3 4 8 2. I jumped it. 2. Alright, then I won't forward that. 2. Five. 3 4. God, I taste alcohol. 4 2. One. Because I see one I see. Oh. 8. Hick. 6-5. So that's A. 1-3 M. 2-8-2 2 8 2. Control save. It'll take a moment for it to save. Once this dot disappears, you know it's saved. I jumped, didn't I? Because I didn't do bad, did I? Yeah, I jumped it. Yeah, so I jumped that, which means we jumped that. Alright, let's go back up. 07 067 9 8. Okay. 2 1 1 4 8 08 after that. Oh, okay, because that was the last one. 8. That makes a lot more sense. 2 6 5 1 3. Shit, that's not a 3, is it? 3 2 8 3 0. Okay, is that literally say 900? There's no fucking way. 620 30. Alright, so I'm gonna save it right after 1. I'm gonna hit copy, control save. You gotta be fucking kidding me. This is bullshit. So then, pi 6. So 66 is B, so that's making that. So that's 2 6. So it's right there. 4 7 0 9 3. So there's a jump there. That took the 80 and making it 1. 3 8 4 4 6 0 9 5. So there's going to be more information over here. 0. So we passed the 131 marker. 8. 2, 2, 3. So question, at question 3. Alright, so that's a W, so that's 22 plus okay, I'm trying to figure out my protocols and procedures. So we got 39 plus 39 plus 39 plus 117, which we passed that, plus 39. So that's 4. So we should be on column 3 then. Alright. Oh, okay. Minus 39. So 2, 2, 3. 7, 2, 5, 3, 5, 9, 4, 0, 9, 4, 0, 808, 808. One, 2, 8, 4, 8. Right. 4, 8. 1, 1, 1. 1. I guess it's resetting. 1. Because that brings you back to 7 then. Ends on. We'll just work it through. So, 7, 4, 5, 0, 2, 8, 4, 1, 0. So 84 was T, 10 is J, 27 is past any algebra. So I don't know what that could be. I'll check the time. Is there a rolling time at 30 minutes? Okay. Okay, okay. I thought I had moved it all over. So let's go ahead and lock that. Create a new layer, Control save, and then add 10 onto that. That's 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. K, JK. 201. Okay. Thank you for that fix. I don't know why it didn't error there, but we'll just take it for what it is. And 10 on to it, 118, which is T. That was only one. Sorry, T is 116. 127 is, I added 1 to the wrong digit. Or is it 20? I don't know. I don't know what the fuck's going on. We'll just add another 39 to it. 39. 156. So we gotta get from the prior level. I'm gonna do it that way. One copy. That'll work, so. Zero, and we add it. I had that 10 error there. So it's supposed to be 1. One I see. 8, 5. There's 2. 1. 1. I'm gonna finish on this. We'll save it and upload. Because we're getting into Hollywood shit at this point. What's your number? 555. Something, something, something. They do real numbers now, which a lot of them are workable, which is fucking hilarious. So that's 4 5s, and then we go if 6. 4. Add 4. Right. Is that right? 2, 2. 2. 2. 9. 4. 8. Odd. That's in reverse, but see. Says I'm 21. Oh God, gotta kill that shit. Alright, where's that? So that's a dick move. Dick. Alright, so if that's that's an underscore. 0, 9, 5. Well, that would fucking suck. ID 20. There's no 44. I fucked it up. 644. Got ahead of myself. Or I rewrote the wrong one. 6, 2, 2. 4, 8, 8, 9, 5, 4, 9, 5, 4. So it's ID, I'd. One day, is that right? I think that's what that's supposed to be. That's supposed to be 69. But that would be Y then, so that's backwards. IT. Fuck. Means I'm dead. Dead already. Talking to my live self. Because this is live. I'm doing this live. Real 3. 819. Six. The point. I think we're gonna just keep adding them every time. We're gonna do as much as we can and then tap out. 6, 4. See, those are tying items. Alright. And they're just counting 1 and above. Yeah, so everyone's got their one. I fully understand that. But what if your one doesn't want to talk to you? And secondly, what if your one doesn't believe anything that comes out of your fucking mouth? So, alright, we'll just leave it at that. Just leave it at that. So this is my subconscious. Alright, then there's one more 8. And then I'm just trying to get her to acknowledge that maybe there is something else. So we're going to go ahead and tap this one out. Alright, move. 0, tab 1. Copy. Boom. That's simple. That's simple. I'm going to go ahead and lock that. And then save, control save. Monkeys season. I'm not sure if the season switch. Yeah, season 3, episode 7. 12 Monkeys. It's about time travel, the end of the world. What if time travel were real? That's what they talk about. They use this machine to go somewhere, different points in time. Yeah. What about you? What are you doing?